well, such a really two seats on the left.
Good morning and welcome aboard American Airlines Flight 1590 with nonstop service to Dallas. Your flight crew for this flight is Captain Scott Taylor, First Officer Sean Kozak. It is our pleasure to welcome you to Dallas for the local time is 9:57 p.m. You may now use your cell phone.
Dallas, we made it. I don't know how much I can share of what we're gonna do here because, you know, this isn't fully, what I'm gonna do isn't dropped yet. But we're gonna get ready for the day, man. Let's get it. Barber Plug. So if you guys don't know, because you didn't watch my last Dallas vlog, my boy here was at my first class out of state. You know, I'm really appreciative to him. That's how I already knew him. You had me sign your phone, right? Yeah. You were so he was the thumbnail to the last Dallas video, man. Shout out to him. But I'm super excited to see what, you know, this weekend has in store. Right now we're on the way to the hotel. So hopefully they didn't put me in a motel. Yeah, man, let's get it. Dude, how much? Let me buy one.
I don't know your size.
Large. It's a hoodie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me buy it, bro. Nah, let me buy it. No, for real, bro. Let me support you, bro.
It's on the house,
Nah,
bro.
give me a cash app or something, man.
Nah, bro.
Dude, I appreciate that so much, bro.
You know, it's love.
I love hoodies. This is fire. Who stitched it?
I have a lady.
Hey, what's up, baby? Yeah, thank you for coming out here. You know, you a legend, man. Especially for this man right here.
I appreciate it. He asked if I still had the keychain. I said, bro, I still got it.
Oh, for real? Yeah, he was talking about that with me. He was like, bro, when I met him at Clutch, I gave him a keychain, so we gonna see if he still got it.
I definitely still got it.
Ohio, right? That's where you came from? I used to live in Toledo.
Did you?
A long time ago,
you move out here?
I lived in Toledo when I was like 3 or 4. But I still used to live there. Yeah, let me get you signed in and stuff.
Yeah.
Chill for a little bit and then we'll get something to eat and then film.
Yeah, I'm down. Oh, we all the way to the stand up? Get it. I'll bring you too. I ain't forget. No. Driving nice.
I be sick all the time.
Got sick. You do?
Yeah, it's hard for me to get over like mucus and stuff.
Yeah, you hearing me? I got it right now.
I can't hear it, you know, cause like when you know somebody and you know how they sound, you can hear it. But you know, from the YouTube videos and the Instagram, you sound the same to me.
See it. What's up, bro? Good to meet you. Nice to meet you as well.
How's your flight?
Hello, good. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Dre. Very nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Did you ever think it would be like this?
No.
Never?
No, because I went to school for 5 years and got my degree in accounting, became a CPA and everything. I had a whole
Really?
Okay. I had a whole different life path before this. And then when COVID hit, I was like, man, I want to get into e-commerce. Because I was like, man, there are people that are just selling products online and making a killing. I was like, I got to figure that out. Thank you.
Oh, that's weighted nice too. I ain't never had a razor like this one.
Yeah, we'll get you one.
That's tough. That's nice.
Jeezy just put this one on his page. He said he really likes it.
Yeah.
But everybody.
It's the trimmers. The trimmers they're not.
What's wrong with them?
I just don't think they're not good. The Babyliss got it.
Oh,
for a long time.
You use the Saber though?
Yeah.
Saber's straight with bulk.
I don't remember.
What?
Why don't you just make the first episode like an intro to what the Barber Plug is about?
Nah, it's too boring.
It's too boring?
Yeah, it's not gonna be.
He just called you boring, bro. Huh? He called you boring.
he knows for a fact that.
Yeah, no.
First episode is the interview documentary show.
You see where we at, man? I'm super excited to get into this show, right? It'd be a show or interview. Show, right?
Our show's
sounds
fun. Yeah, show's fun.
So I'm super excited to do this show, man. We just getting ready, you know, to get after it. You gave him a taper though,
touched me up
right?
yesterday.
It looks like you had a fade and then you gave him a taper.
No, I gave him a drop fade. Oh, someone gave him a taper for sure.
Yeah.
You, bro. Nobody has
that
touched
was
my
not
head.
me. This was not me. What are you talking about? Esco or someone gave you a taper?
Nah, I wouldn't let.
So your hair don't grow back on this side that fast? Because I gave you a drop fade.
Bro, I'm telling you, I haven't got a cut.
I gave him this lineup yesterday.
Them bad boys sharp.
Bro?
Yeah, you gapped them?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's
I
up,
think
bro?
they're
My fault for
friends.
coming in late today,
Oh,
man.
what's
How you
good, bro?
doing?
Good to see you, dog.
Good. What's
Like,
up,
you
bro?
came to
How are
work
you?
today?
So with you.
I wasn't
Hey,
thinking
man, that's coming out sharp, bro.
Yeah, bro. He said these are sharp. These are hitters, bro.
Hold up, man. Those trimmers look mad familiar. You know what, man? Just come to my chair, bro. I got
Yeah,
you. Let's go, man. Come
I'm
on.
just like,
Oh.
I can't do
I'm gonna just finish the cup for you, bro, alright? Yes. Alright, man.
it. Good first take. Good first take.
That was fire. That's the whole video.
Did you go to Jesse Lima's class?
Who?
Jesse Lima?
I don't know who that is.
Who taught you SMP?
His name, he a wall ambassador, a new style. Miguel
okay,
Rosa.
okay. I'm surprised you don't know who Jesse Lima is. He's from Florida.
Nah, I only know Taylor Perry from Florida. Brooks, look up.
Space eye, turn, go to that. On, face detection display on.
3, 2, 1, action.
And welcome back to another episode of Clipper Shopping at the Barber Plug. I'm your host, the Barber Brooks, and we're back in Dallas, Texas at our flagship store. And today we're inviting a good friend of ours to come shopping at our store all the way from Ohio. You guys may know him. He's a master barber, influencer, speaker, and educator. And he goes by the name of Dreclipperhands.
Yeah!
What's going on, brother? I'm doing great. How are you today?
Good, man. I'm excited to be here.
I like it better whenever it's like boom, boom, boom.
3,
Nah, don't do this.
2, 1, action.
Give us a second, bro. Give us a second.
All right, 3, 2, 1, action.
All right, bro. Welcome inside the store. What do you think? God, Trey.
Action.
All right, bro. Welcome inside. What do you think of the store?
Man, the store is beautiful. I think that the clipper wall is genius, right? Because usually when you walk in, it's just a lot of different clipper boxes, but to have a display wall definitely separates, you know, this place from other places.
Yeah, that's kind of the whole point. We want people to be able to like pick the stuff up, like
Yeah.
you're like shopping at the Apple Store or something, you know?
Yeah.
See what you're actually purchasing.
But as I continue to engulf myself in the barber culture through social media, I saw really what was the potential of what it could be, right?
Yeah, what's
because
possible.
I heard a quote that said, your level of exposure will dictate your level of success, right?
All right, let's do it, bro.
Cool. Ooh, my neck is stiff from looking at that One Direction hotel. You see what we got going on, man? Super, super dope. Yep, the OG gold ones, and then the black ones with the gold touches. And then now I have the Snap FXs, which are right here, and my own custom FXs as well.
Okay, so you have no boost.
No boost, I do
Okay,
not.
it's a good thing you have the Barber Plug.
Yeah, I see these are battery powered.
Say that again?
Are we starting? So are these battery powered?
Yeah. You
Okay.
gotta put battery in those.
How do you feel about that? I don't know if I really like having to put batteries in my clippers all the time.
Okay. Well, we'll get you with our Barber Plug one. We actually got a black one as well. We'll put it in the bag for you. Get both colors. You got a lot of black tools, so.
Right, it's only right. It's only right.
Anything else though, bro? I mean, some grippers. We got combs. We got guards.
One thing I'd probably be interested is in these babyless guards, because
Premium guards.
yeah, with the Snap FX it came with them, but the labeling right was black. So when I have to go grab it, I have to really look at it to make sure it's a 1.5 or a 2. So I'm gonna go with these premium guards. Xander, nice to meet you. Dre. Nice to meet you.
I told you I don't want to upset no one.
Right.
But, you know, you can get these motors everywhere. It's good on camera.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah. Real good.
I'm surprised you didn't do a skit.
We did a skit.
Oh, they definitely do. This ain't posted yet.
Yeah, we got a skit. It's funny too.
How long you guys been in school for? When you finishing?
No, I already finished. I'm already doing my barber license.
Oh, okay. A lot of you guys be watching YouTube videos?
Yeah, I'm watching. Yeah, you started.
That's love, man.
Before I started the barber shop, I was watching videos.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
So I got us to that. Now we'll go to the one guard open. So now, just to make sure that this really is a half, we're gonna come in with that 1.5 close. My first year of YouTube, I posted 4 times, so I didn't really gain any traction. But then after, because my second year is when I really locked in and posted consistently, like every week. That boy feeling himself, look. And you know, we gotta use the barber plug. You already know.
Appreciate that.
Where this way though? I'm waiting for you. Alright, just this is the background. Like 1, 2. Yeah. Like 3.
Thank you so much for having me here.
1, 2. 2 then 3.
I know, right? Because it's so cold out. Bro, it's a pleasure to meet you as well, dog. Oh, bro, and that's what I love. Yeah, let's do it. Good morning. Shoot, right now it is day 2. And last night was crazy, man. Not crazy in the sense of stuff that we did, but I was exhausted because, you know, I didn't know I was going to be teaching the class as well as doing the show. So I shot a show for like, what, it was like 4 hours. And then, you know, they took me to a local barber school and I taught a class. And at that point, my voice was shot. That's why I kind of sounded a little stuffy and weird this morning. But I'm excited for day 2. They're going to go ahead and pick us up. We're going to head to Top Golf before we go to the airport. So it's going to be a really chill day. So yeah, we're just going to get to it, relax, chill, and head back home. I went to this little coffee spot right here in the corner, that Ascension. It's fire. Yeah, it's fire. Easy coming.
Bro, I'm a baseball player all my life.
Yeah. I'm gonna try my best out here. Try my best.
The first time
That's good. His is great. I know it.
It's 5. We're still doing good.
Oh yeah, 3? 3? Ah!
There you go. Nice bounce back.
No pressure.
Alright.
Oh no. What was it me?
Losing. How can I be losing in my own city? 2? Oh yeah. And guys.
YouTube, man, it's the end of a really good time with my guy, the Barber Plug.
Yes, sir.
Hit him up for all you need.
Anything you need.
Anything.
We're
You got
in
anything to
Dallas,
say?
Texas, but you can go online to thebarberplug.com. Get all the clippers, trimmers, shavers, whatever. We're gonna plug you in. I had a great time, my man Dre, the young legend. He's doing his thing, man. I can't wait to get out there to Cleveland or a little small
Yeah,
town called-
we'll say Cleveland.
Yeah,
We'll say
Cleveland, and chop it up with my boy. We out of this thing.
Man, so I'm super appreciative for you bringing me out and bringing me, you know, to your place of business around the people that you love with your wife. You come in here too.
Yeah, Jasmine.
So man, I just want to say I'm grateful, man. I'm super like, you know, proud of what you guys are doing. I think it's something special.
We appreciate that.
So man, thank
bro.
you so much,
Nah,
bro.
That's real. That's love.
For sure. Thank you as well.
Of course.
You already know. You can show the team too. Rain.
Appreciate that.
Look at that. Look at that.
You already know. Put them on.
Right
Hell yeah. You see it, you see it. But yeah, you too. We're about to head to the airport, man, so let's go. Alright y'all, so we just touched back in the city and we got welcome to snow. So we're definitely back in Cleveland, but right now, what is it? It is 10:30. I'm ready to go home, see my wifey and my daughter, and get to bed, man. So if you stuck around in this video, I appreciate you. And like always, I will catch y'all next time. Peace.
Khalil on the track.